Okay, here's a quick video on showing you how to determine what RAM's installed in your PC, how much RAM's installed, how many available slots, and what's the maximum amount of RAM without having to take the PC apart. Now, I've been using this for years. It's a program called Crucial, which actually they manufacture RAM. So you go to crucial.com. And there's going to be a place in here where you can actually optimize or basically look for what it is you're doing. I'm going to do run a scan, okay? So we're going to get here, we're going to open this, it will run the scan, and it will look for some different information. It's going to tell you how many slots are there, what's already installed, and what's the maximum amount of RAM, and the actual nomenclature of the RAM. All right, so here we go. In my particular PC that I'm using, I have 16 gigabytes of RAM installed right now. There are 4 different slots, and each slot has a 4 gigabyte stick of RAM in it. Now, I can max them out using 8 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, well, the other thing that you're going to need to know when you go to order it, first of all, it is DDR3. That's what you want to know. Well, what else but you want to know? Okay, you may want to know that it uses the 1600. DDR3 1600. This is the way I would actually purchase it. It saves you, it prevents time consuming things of taking the PC apart, shutting it down, taking the stuff out. This is the quickest and easiest way. I'm going to look at more things to put up for you guys. Thank you.